wake up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. I will wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast at 7 a.m. I will eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I went to work at 9 a.m. I will go to work at 9 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I had lunch at 1 p.m. I will have lunch at 1 p.m. I return home at 6 p.m. I returned home at 6 p.m. I will return home at 6 p.m. I watch TV in the evening. I watched TV in the evening. I will watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I went to bed at 10 p.m. I will go to bed at 10 p.m. I brush my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I will brush my teeth. I study English. I studied English. I will study English. He exercises at the gym. He exercised at the gym. He will exercise at the gym. I ride my bike. I rode my bike. I will ride my bike. I walk to the store. I walk to the store. I will walk to the store. She paints a picture. She painted a picture. She will paint a picture. We explore the city. We explored the city. We will explore the city. She cleans the house. She cleaned the house. She will clean the house. They sing songs. They sang songs. They will sing songs. I write emails. I wrote emails. I will write emails. I call my friend. I called my friend. I will call my friend. I listen to music. I listen to music. I will listen to music. I cook lunch. I cooked lunch. I will cook lunch. I read books. I read books. I will read books. I water the plants. I watered the plants. I will water the plants. I watch movies. I watched movies. I will watch movies. I write in my journal. I wrote in my journal. I will write in my journal. I practice yoga. I practiced yoga. I will practice yoga. I visit my grandparents. I visited my grandparents. I will visit my grandparents. I attend meetings. I attended meetings. I will attend meetings. He drives a car. He drives a car. He will drive a car. She works at a bank. She worked at a bank. She will work at a bank. He played tennis. He played tennis. He will play tennis. He learned French. He learned French. He will learn French. They swim in the pool. They swam in the pool. They will swim in the pool. They catch the bus. They caught the bus. They will catch the bus. I washed the dishes. I washed the dishes. I will wash the dishes. We plan a trip. We planned a trip. We will plan a trip. You open the door. You opened the door. You will open the door. I parked the car. I parked the car. I will park the car. I fold the laundry. I folded the laundry. I will fold the laundry. He repairs the bike. He repaired the bike. He will repair the bike. You answered the phone. You answered the phone. You will answer the phone. He signs the document. He signed the document. He will sign the document. I ironed the clothes. I ironed the clothes. I will iron the clothes. She follows the map. She followed the map. She will follow the map. He takes a photograph. He took a photograph. He will take a photograph. They make a call. They made a call. They will make a call. I sketch a design. I sketched a design. I will sketch a design. She buys a new phone. She bought a new phone. She will buy a new phone.